welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I wanted to share with you my November favorites. So I have very little to show you guys this month. I have not filmed a favorites in a while, but I've been using a lot of the same stuff that I've been loving for months now. So these are just a few things that I haven't really mentioned in favorites before, so let's get into it. The first thing is a brush, and this is the Morphe M439 brush. So usually I don't use Morphe brushes because I do find that they have a lot of fallout. I do get a lot of like stray hairs on my face and stuff, but this one is actually really good. If I didn't mention it's an M439, I think I just said that, but this is a really dense brush that I like to use to pack on foundation. I feel like it's fantastic. It blends the foundation out really well. There's no streakiness. I really love how dense it is, but yet it's still super, super soft. So I love this brush. I think it's really great quality. It's nice and heavy. So you know it's good, and yeah, so I'm loving this brush, and it actually was not that expensive. I got it on sale well, I technically got it on sale because I used someone's coupon code. I think I used Jacqueline Hill's coupon code where you get 10% off. So and these were already a really good price. Morphe has good price brushes, so definitely recommend this brush if you're looking for a good foundation brush. Next up is a foundation I've re-fallen in love with. So I did a review and demo on this foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. And when I did my review and demo, this looked terrible on my skin. It was just clinging to all my rough patches and just really emphasizing my acne pitting and stuff like that. But I've been using this the past couple weeks, and even longer than that, probably the entire month of November, and I just can't put it down. It's so good. It's on my face right now, and it just makes me look so glowy and dewy. And lately it's not emphasizing anything. I just think it looks absolutely beautiful on my skin. It has excellent coverage as well. Not completely full coverage, but I'd say a nice high medium coverage. And I just love it. I think it's so good. Along with that foundation, I've also been using this, the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Lotion, which is a really, really nice hydrating lotion with a lot of, like, I wouldn't even say shimmer, it just has a glow to it. And I put it underneath my foundation, and I put it on as a lotion. It's super, super hydrating, so you don't even need to use any other lotions on your face. You can just use this and it's totally fine, but it gives the face such a beautiful, beautiful glow that shows up underneath your foundation. So I actually don't have it on today, so this is just like this is just the foundation by itself, and it's pretty glowy. But when I put this on, it's even more glowy, like around my face and stuff. And I love the way it looks, and I love how hydrating it is. So I definitely recommend this. If you like MAC strobe cream, try this out because it's just as good. Next up, I have this product here that I got from a BoxyCharm. This is the Needles No More Baggage Under Eye Soothing Deep Puffing Gel. And I actually put this on underneath my makeup on my under eye circles, and it completely makes it look like I don't have under eye circles. It does come out a little bit orange, and I think that's why it's like a color corrector. And you can put it on under makeup and you don't notice at all. It doesn't feel odd under makeup. It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that, and it's not noticeable under your makeup. I just think it makes my under eyes look so, so good. So I definitely have been using this a lot this past month and loving it. A product that I mentioned before, a lot before, is the mascara. This is the L'Oreal The Luminous Original Mascara. I have a lot of L'Oreal products in here. Wow. But anyways, yeah, I love this mascara. It is my favorite drugstore mascara. I did a video a while back about, raved about products that I've never tried, and this was one of them. And I finally tried it, and I have been missing out for so long. This is so good. It's on my lashes right now, but not very thick. But it does give the eyelashes a little bit more of a luminous feel. It makes them a lot thicker. I just love it. And it's super, super black. And yeah, I just absolutely love this. And the very last product I have to share with you today is this Hourglass bronzer. So if you are a fair-skinned kind of girl or guy and you're looking for a bronzer that's not going to be too much, if you're a little afraid of bronzer, anything like that, this is such a good one. It's so natural on the face. I am wearing it right now and you can barely tell, but it just gives that face a little bit of warmth. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Diffused Bronze Light. This is what it looks like in the pan. And as you can see, it's mixed with that white, so it really tones it down and just makes your face look so beautifully bronzed, but in a natural way. It doesn't look like I just caked a bunch of orange bronzer on my face. Like, the color is just perfect. It's that nice neutral brown, so it doesn't look unnatural on the face. And it gives a little bit of highlight, I'd say, but not enough to be super noticeable. This is just the foundation that's doing this. So like you can see back here, there's not really too much highlight, but it does give a little bit of a sheen, and it's so pretty. I just can't, I'm so excited about finally finding a bronzer that is the right tone, because a lot of the time they're way too orange. So this looks really natural on fair skin tones. So I definitely recommend it if you are a fair skinned person. Alright guys, so those are all of my November favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.